Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. The first question is Mano had an equal number of goldfish and guppies in his aquarium. After 28 goldfish and 196 guppies had been sold, the number of goldfish was 5 times that the number of guppies. How many guppies were there at first? Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find the how many guppies were there at first. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's say the initial number of goldfish and guppies is x. Since the number of goldfish and guppies is equal to the total number of fish is 2x. After selling 28 goldfish and 196 guppies, the remaining number of goldfish is x minus 28 and the remaining number of guppies is x minus 196. According to the problem, the number of goldfish is 5 times the number of guppies. So the equation is x minus 28 equals to 5 of x minus 196. X minus 28 equals to 5x minus 980. 980 minus 28 equals to 5x minus x. 4x equals to 980 minus 28 is 952. X equals to 952 by 4 equals to 238. Since x represents the initial number of guppies, there were 238 guppies at first. To make sure you grasp the concept, let's run through the entire solution one last time. Take a look at the full video to see the step-by-step process. If you have any doubts regarding this problem, please ask me in the comment section. The second question is, a student scored 450 marks in an exam and missed 50 marks to get 80%. What were the total marks? Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find the total marks. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's assume that the total marks is x. The student scored 450 marks and missed 50 marks to get 80%. 80% of x equals to 450 plus 50. 80% we can write it as 80 divided by 100 multiplied by x. 0 will get cancelled. 8 by 10 multiplied by x equals to 500. X equals to 500 multiplied by 10 by 8. 500 multiplied by 10 equals to 5000. X equals to 5000 by 8. X equals to 625. The total marks is 625. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.